Okay, good morning. Welcome to my channel, Nisha's Creative Corner. As we know, nowadays, in this new era of teaching learning, means work from home, online teaching, all the teachers and students are trying their best to do the things. In the same process, I tried my best to explain the assignments in a very simple way so that students can do their assignments all by themselves without taking the assistance of their elders. So, in front of us, there is a simple exercise. As the very picture shows, in this exercise, what is there to do? These are fill in the blanks. Now, if the children don't know the meaning of the words, how will they fill up? So I tried my best to explain the process. How can they finish this exercise, or how can they fill up any other exercise all by themselves? Okay. Now the question is, look at the pictures below and complete the following paragraph. You will need these words. So there is a box and some words have been written there. Now, what will the children do? They will select the appropriate word and fill in the blank. So the words are pulled out, inside, called out, behind, under. Now, what may happen? There may be some words the meanings of which children are not knowing. Now, how will they fill up the word then? Okay, now try to understand. I tried my best to explain the things. So the first of all, we will see the line which you may call paragraph also. Yesterday, I lost a book. I looked for it everywhere. This is the paragraph or passage or lines. All the other sentences will depend upon this line. What is the theme? What is the context? Yesterday I lost a book. कल मैंने किताब खो दी. I looked for it everywhere. मैंने इसको हर जगह ढूंढा. Okay? Now look at the first sentence. I looked dash a door. Now a picture has been given there. There is a girl, there is a cupboard, and the girl is doing something. And the sentence is, I looked dash a door. So what is the girl doing? She is peeping somewhere. She means she is not looking in front. She is looking somewhere else. Maybe the opposite of in front. So you have to select the appropriate word out of the words given above. Pulled out, it is not right. Inside, no. Called out, I don't think it is right. Behind and under. So if the children don't know the meaning of the words, still by looking at the picture, they can guess at least. Okay. So out of the words given above, I think behind looks to be correct. Okay. So you will fill the word behind. Now, one more thing. Whatever word you select or you fill, what will you do? You cut it so that in the coming process, at least you will leave that particular word. Means you have selected the word behind. If you cut it, means only 4 words will be left out. So it will be easy for you to select out of those 4 words. Gradually, one by one, you may cut the words so that you can select out of the left out, and it will be easy for you to select the answers. So here I looked behind a door. So what will you do? You have completed the word behind. You will cut it. What have you done? You cut the word behind. Now how many words have been left? Pulled out, inside, called out, under. So in the coming sentences, you will have to select only out of these four. Right? Now, I have also given you solved answers. But after completing, either you complete all the sentences, then you can check from the solved one, or you can check after filling up each and every word. So here I have given you solved answers worksheet after each and every word. So you selected the word behind it for the first. Now you can check. Yes, I look behind a door. In the first, you have selected behind and it is correct. Now we will come for the second one. I looked dash a cupboard. Again, the girl has opened the almirah or cupboard and she is doing something. She has opened the almirah. Now, what is she doing? Now, try to select the appropriate word out of the four words left out. What are those four words? Pulled out, inside, called out, under. So pulled out can't be the correct. Inside, is it correct? Because called out can't be correct. Behind is over and under can't be correct. So inside is looking correct. I am telling you that if you don't know the meaning of the words, still you can write or you can select the correct words. So inside, okay. Now at first, in the first sentence, after doing the first one, you cut the word behind. Now what will you do? In that box, you will cut two words now. First one is behind and the second word is inside. Now how many will be left? Three. Pulled out, called out, under. So it will be easy for you in the following sentences to select only out of these three, because the work of two words inside and behind is already over. Now you can check the answer whether your answer inside is correct or not. Okay. I looked inside a cupboard. You can check your answer. Yes, it is right. Now come to the third one. I looked dash a bed. Now, where is the girl? There is a bed and girl is somewhere. Now, you might be knowing the answer or you can guess. Now, again, come to the box. Pulled out. Inside is over. Called out. Behind is over. Under. Only three words were left. Pulled out, called out, under. So definitely it is obvious. After looking at the picture, you can guess the answer. So you guessed the answer under. Now, how many words should be cut? Behind and inside, you have already cut. Now cut the word under also. So behind, inside, and under. The work of all these three words is over. Now how many will be left out? Pulled out and called out. So it will be easy for you to select the coming answers only out of these two words. Okay, now check the third answer. Looked under a bed. Okay, it is correct. Now the next one means sentence number 4. I could not find it anywhere. Then I dash Sheru. You can understand the meaning. I could not find it anywhere. मैंने इसको मुझे कहीं नहीं मिली किताब मुझे कहीं नहीं मिली. Then I only two words are left. Then I called out Sheru or then I pulled out Sheru. Definitely you might be knowing the meaning of call or pull. So definitely you are not going to use the word pull because you know the meaning. Pull means खींचना. जब मुझे किताब कहीं नहीं मिली तो मैंने शेरू को बुलाया. तो बुलाने का मीनिंग आप डेफिनेटली जानते होंगे. Based on that basis, you will select the answer called out. Then I called out Sheru. Sheru, my dog, came running to me. Now the work of called out is also over. So you have cut four words. You have cut four words. Behind, inside, under, called out. Only one is left. So obviously, the last one or the last answer will be pulled out. So it is very easy. It will be very easy for you wi- without taking the assistance of your elder ones, and you are not knowing the meaning of all the five words, still you can finish your exercise. You can cut the words one by one. Whenever fill up any exercise, you do fill in the blanks, maybe the known passage or maybe the unknown. You can finish it by yourself. So you can finish your assignment by yourself. I also try to give you solved answer, but don't consult the solved answer first. First of all, try to finish the exercise only by yourself. So this process you should adapt. And if you feel problem in any of the exercise, you can write to me. You can ask me again. I will definitely make another video to make the exercise simple. Now you can check all the exercise. You can check the last one. I asked him to look for my book. He pulled out. So in this way, you can write, you can select the correct answers, and then you feel a lot of happiness because you have finished the exercise by yourself. So children, you adapt this process in place of taking the assistance of your elder ones in the beginning. Okay, now pulled out, only pulled out was left. So in the last exercise, you will fill up the word pulled out. In this way, you can do. So I hope children, this exercise or this way of making the exercise simple for you will you will like, definitely you will like the way. And if you like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.